Received this from a company called Leonlite, and it is a LED solar pendant light. I'm excited to put this in my backyard, and I know just the spot. Here we go, how to install right now.
Hey, what do you think of the light up there? You like the light? Now we can see what we're gonna eat. Lights up the whole house. Solid light. You can put it on a timer, so if you don't want it to be on all night, you can click between 3 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours. And then you have your bright white and your yellow. And this is the one we like.
But I'm excited because my daughter sometimes wants to come out here and play at night, and it's like dark and the spiders are out, and you know, having this light here just makes it 100 times better. I'm so excited. And it's solar, don't even need to worry about it. When the sun comes up, it charges, goes down at night, it comes on. And it looks so much cuter. Anyways, if you're interested in this, see the link in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye.